Hello and welcome to the latest update from the Met Office. I can't promise much sunshine during the next few days. We're going to get used to this sort of thing if you're not already used to it. Cloudy skies, showers in many places during Friday, but some prolonged rain setting in later, and that prolonged rain will certainly dominate the weather over the next 36 hours or so. In the southwest of the country, low pressure moving closer, throwing up all these weather fronts and turning the lively showers that we had earlier in the day to more prolonged wet weather for southern and southwestern parts of England, and then later on into Wales and the Midlands. Further north, also for southern and central Scotland, there'll be some damp weather associated with this weather front that's moving north. Not a great deal of weather on that though. A lot of cloud elsewhere. Best of any sunshine in the southeast and the northwest. And temperatures feeling, well, a little less cold because the wind's not quite so brisk. We'll see a wet evening, some break there for the rain in the southwest before more wet weather sweeps in across southern and southwestern parts of England into Wales, the Midlands, East Anglia, and you can see how just it becomes wet virtually right across England and Wales overnight. Outbreaks of rain moving north across Scotland and Northern Ireland as well. But of course, with the cloud and the rain, well, temperatures aren't much different to their daytime values, not dropping very far at all overnight. Damp, rather mild start to Saturday. Outbreaks of rain for northern England, Wales into the southwest. Dry initially for the southeast, but here we'll see outbreaks of rain coming through by the afternoon. All of this moves north, and that means some improvement in the south. The rain turning to showers. There'll be some drier interludes for Scotland and Northern Ireland after a dry start. Here it turns wet by the end of the afternoon. Yellow warning in force for the southwest because over the next day or so, those rainfall amounts will accumulate, especially for southern parts of Dartmoor, for example, 50 millimetres possible. But then, later Saturday, our attention turns to the northeast of the country, where the rainfall will become prolonged across eastern Scotland, northeast England for the latter half of Saturday and into the start of Sunday. That's where the weather front is moving. It does clear away from the south before the next system queues up from the west. And that means that actually for much of the country, it's a dry start to Sunday. There'll be a few showers. There'll be a lot of low cloud and mist in places. Some sunshine coming through for the southeast, but the wet weather still there for parts of northern and northeast Scotland through much of the day on Sunday. And then on the other side of the country, more wind and rain sweeps in for the southwest of England as well as South Wales to end the weekend. So yeah, rain, the common theme for many places over the next few days. The southwest of England as well as the northeast of England and eastern Scotland, most at risk from impacts due to that rainfall, but drab and damp for many places in between. And into the start of next week, the unsettled weather continues. You can, of course, keep up to date with all of the weather by following us on social media, and you can track the rainfall on the weather app because, of course, there will be some drier interludes in between the bands of rain. So if you're hoping to get outside, the best way to pay attention to that is by checking the app. Bye-bye.